Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. Autodesk have launched Revit 2026 version. So quickly we will see how we can download and install Revit 2026 version. So to download Revit 2026, click on the link provided in the description section below. If you have a student account, click on sign in and sign in with your credentials. And if you don't, then create one. Video linked in the I button on how to create an Autodesk student account. After signing in, scroll down and click on select under Revit. Then click on access products. Now scroll down. Here it is, Revit 2026 version. Click on install and accept the terms, and .exe file gets downloaded. Just click on it and then click on install and wait until Revit 2026 gets installed. Then click on start, and here it is, Revit 2026 version. Now open a template and you can enjoy Revit 2026 version. And if you face any difficulty installing Revit, then do check this video once. I have discussed each and every problems and errors you could get while installing Revit. So hopefully this will solve all your problems. So that's it for this tutorial guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye bye.